right onto here, right?
What?
Right onto here.
What we got going on here?
Putting the weight on.
This. Take that off.
And then the thing goes on there.
Yeah, but you were already clipping on. You never took this off.
I was asking it, but I thought I'd... There we go.
That one go off to the side.
Where are we going? Straight out?
Yeah, straight out.
Whoa. Here we go. Woohoo! Going on a Post Harbor. Okay, we're checking our first spot. Water is pretty good, I think. Yeah, it's good. Loaded.
Look at that. They shoot all over the place.
Okay, we're not fishing here because it's not good enough apparently. So go to the next spot, see if there's. But then we're gonna eventually we're coming in with the waves, and we're using brighter colors today. Bandits. And then we're using harnesses for our back 4 rods. I'm doing these 2 right here, like mainly. Those are my rods. But yeah, we're going to the next spot because this spot does not look good enough. I think we're stopping at our next spot. We're gonna check. Hopefully we can see fish right there. Can you see anything down here? Oh, you can see it on here. Yeah, there you go, guys. There's like 6 on the screen right when I pulled up here. Looks like it's a pretty good start. Told you there's fish there.
That's the first one we gotta know.
See if we can fish here. I don't know. So we're going up, and then we're gonna turn back around and just keep going and trolling back that way with the wave. Might just cast like after a little bit, but we'll still have our harnesses out. So let's see what we do when we actually get to the spot.
You gotta like, throw it hard.
There, that one's set. We're good to go, Dad. Definitely. What?
Finally got everything set up after our debacle of casting.
Here, get him. Dad, you get it? Mom, someone? I've got this fish.
Somebody get
Oh, it's a sheephead.
stupid.
Yeah, but fish on. I don't know, it's a fish. Either way, what I do know is I'm going right through on my line. So maybe. My God, Dad.
Just keep it right there.
I'm in my line. I'm trying to figure out how to get out of it. Oh, it's a nice one.
Where do I go to net this?
Ha ha ha! Now he can't get off. Now it's on. Yeah. It's a junkfish though. See? Junkfish. Told ya. I think I actually have him. It's a little fish. No. Oh, fish. Fish. Oh, yeah. Keep her down, Thane. Don't let her come up. Shoo! It's a big walleye.
Sweep right to me. There we go.
Look at that big boy.
Good way to end off the day.
Closer.
Shoo! Woo! It's a big fish. Here! You got two! Help!
Here we go.
Double up! I got him, Dad! I see him! It's a sheephead! Yeah.
Do you need it netted?
I mean, yeah, I would, but like, I'm too cool for getting that netted.
Oh, you already got it?
Yeah. Shoo! I've done it like the last minute. I've just been messing with it. It's fighting pretty nice. Whoa, whoa! It's doing some action. Probably a sheephead, but I don't know. Better hope it's a walleye.
Mine ran drag on the one line.
Big sheeper. Hey, you gotta wait for me to come to you. Jesus. Back to
Sheep head chase.
Well, yeah, it doesn't matter, but like, you still have to have practice. Come on. All the rods have been reeled in.
And then we'll be done.
We are gonna hold the fish up
I'll head back to the
for a picture, and then we'll be heading back. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We just finished this video pretty good. We caught quite a few at the end. We had a double up. I had my rods both in my hands. Caught some big sheephead, which are not good, but good fight. Finished with 6. Here's our fish. I caught like the first biggest, and then probably the 3rd biggest, and Thane caught the 2nd biggest.
I caught the first biggest.
Well, thickest, I mean. I caught the longest for sure. But we finished with 6, and we threw back quite a few. We had a lot of other fish on, like junk fish. Yeah, pretty good day out here. We started off casting, and that did not go well at all. So that's what we messed up on to begin with. And we used a lot of time that we shouldn't have. We shouldn't have wasted. Should have used it valuable because we didn't have much time to begin with. Well, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.